Hello guys, this is Roman Draw. Let's draw some things in 10, 6 and 3 minutes. Let's start with 10. Okay, fruits. I think I'm gonna draw banana. Yeah. Okay, first of all, I'm gonna find cute banana pig. But I wanna draw some realistic, like professional banana. Okay, let's start. We're gonna start with the ground. I'm gonna paint it with black paint, you see? Then we're gonna add layers and yeah, something like this. Is this banana color? Yeah, I'm gonna start with some form. I don't know, maybe like this. This is banana fat, or I don't know. Let's just begin again here. Like this. Then we go up. This is wings, banana wings, and it has 4 wings, I think. And the final banana from the inside. Yeah, the tasty stick. Okay. Yeah, I think it's not bad. Then I'm gonna add another layer, layer 3, and gonna color it with the same shades but different, like same color, different shades. Yeah. Yeah, something like this. Then we're gonna draw and color these wings, with the same color of yellow. And I think I'm gonna add some shadow here. Let's get the darker shade. Yeah, this is much better. So yeah, this is better. Yeah. I like it. It already looks like banana. And here we're gonna add some shade. Yeah, darker under the wing, because this is the falling shade. And yeah, I think it's not bad. Let's move to the wings and give them some shades. Yeah, something like this. But you know what? I think that's not enough dark shade. I'm gonna add some much darker shade. Yeah, like this. Because it's not enough. Yeah. Now we can see the wing is in front of banana. Now let's color lighter parts of the wings first of all. I'm gonna add, no, this is more neon. Yes, like something like this. Much lighter yellow color. And I'm gonna make transparency a little bit just to see what I'm coloring. Like this. Second is ready. Yeah. And now we're gonna do third. Something like that. It's already giving banana, but banana is missing there. It's not black, it's like missing banana, yeah. But we're gonna... First we're gonna end with wings. And go to the banana. I'm gonna add some more lighter colors in the wings because it has gradient from the light to darker. Something like this. Because the light is, laying on these things. Now we go to the banana. The eatable, we're gonna, you see, I colored these 2 things lighter, but in the middle part it's more gray, more darker. That's the whole point, because the light just laying like this. That's it. I don't know why, it's just like this. If you see something like this, you should draw it like you see it. Do not do something from your head. Because sometimes you think you can draw good, if you gonna add some shadows or light parts from yourself, but no. Just always, if you wanna learn how to draw, you need to learn how to copy first. And then you're gonna know where's the lights, where's the dark parts, something like this. Yeah, now I'm gonna draw some, lines on banana because it always has this, strange lines. vertical and horizontal. So let's do this with the more darker shades. I'm gonna add some light with white color because now it looks like good. Now we have 1 minute left, so we can hurry up and add some details, more lights, more darker shades to the wings and everything I see. Yeah, not that dark, a little bit like this, just to separate the banana from its wings. Like this. And I'm not satisfied with this drawing on 100%, but I just draw. Let's add some green on banana nose, or I don't know what you called it, and darker shade. Oh my gosh, I have 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it. Okay, let's rate. Isn't that? I think I'm gonna add yes with 4 stars. First I thought about 3. Oh my gosh, this is 5. This is 5, this is really good. This is dragon fruit or something like this. I forgot. Watermelon is so good. 4. Okay. Oh, my banana. It's a little bit messy because I had second layer and I didn't clean it up. Oh, blueberry is so nice. These guys are really talented, And that's it. Okay, I'm gonna wait and the winners are... Oh, blueberry. Okay. You deserved. Now we're gonna run to the 6th minute. But first I'm gonna clean 3 coins. Of course. Let's do this. And, oh my gosh, I think I'm stuck. There. Wait. Okay. Yeah, 6 minutes, please. 3, 2, 1. No. Let's. Oh my gosh. No! 10 minutes. Submit. Okay, let's run again to the 6 minutes round. Like, what the heck? Okay, 6 minutes. Please. I don't know what's going on with my network or something with my iPad. With my pad, not iPad. Okay. No way. You saying me that the simplest banana? No way. Oh my gosh, you see the timing? The timing is perfect. Let's rate these drawings. Okay, 3. Wait, what doing this guy right there? Okay. I think I'm joining late. Oh. Why do you look like me? That guy is still standing there. Oh my gosh. Guys, we're sisters. We have the same hairstyle. Oh my gosh. Oh. What's with your face? Hello. I'm your sister. Okay, never mind. Let's start new. Video game. I'm gonna draw banana as a video game, as scenes. Yeah, let's draw banana and the scenes romp right. Right there. If I'm being honest, I don't know what I'm doing right there. I just drawing banana again, the second time, and it's kind of messy, and I don't know what's wrong with the pen. It's just drawing like crayons, Like, I don't know. Never mind, we're just gonna add some whites. I'm not gonna draw the open banana. It's gonna be like just casual banana, like banana. Okay, like this, making something like gradient, but it's not gradient. It just smoothing the lights with the shadows and something like that. I'm gonna speed up this because You know, like, we need to hurry up, add some more orange colors, some roses, have some snow, have some background from, I don't know, Mars, and yeah, that looks more realistic. I don't know, I'm gonna add the romp just like on the head of banana, right there. Yeah, something like this. I'm not gonna use ruler or straight lines, just with the pen. Something like this. The more neon green and darker sides. I don't know. I don't know. Let's pretend we have banana video game character. I don't know. In the Sims, yeah. Oh my gosh, we have 30, not 20 seconds. And let's clean the mess. I'm gonna add face to banana, yeah. Because you know it's just a game. And yeah, the mouse is perfect. Okay, now we're gonna rate and video game Roblox. Okay. Oh my gosh, I have a question. Why that guy is standing over there again and again? Like, I have a VIP ticket to see something. To see something like, I don't know, closer? How it works? How does this work? Okay, I don't know, it looks like Minecraft a little bit. I just don't know which video game is this. What is that? Okay, never mind. Oh, I think I know, this is the Roblox game. Yeah, with the police. Yeah, I remember this. This either look like Minecraft, you know. I think it's something like similar. Maybe just another game. And the winners are... Okay, the second place. That's really good because the video game with banana doesn't exist. Thank you so much, guys. I knew that you were my sisters. Because you know, we all with the same hairstyle. Okay, now I'm gonna hurry up and run to the 3 minutes game. To the 3 minutes limit. Okay. Okay, I waited. Now let's vote and rate the drawings. This round is gonna be so difficult because I will only have 3 minutes and it's impossible to draw something beautiful in 3 minutes. I don't know about other people, but I cannot draw something like what I really would like, you know. But I'm gonna try my best here. Let's read these drawings. Now I have to draw mouse. And you know what? We drew 2 bananas. And the third is gonna be banana 2. But the mouse version. I'm gonna show you how to do this. Let's make banana. Just typical, simple, you know, we have only 2 minutes. Already, we have only 2 minutes here. I just don't know what I did for 30 seconds. And coloring, like always, I think you will learn this forever, how to draw these, you know, special bananas. And I'm gonna add some lights, shadows, as always. I think you know this better than me. But let's just fix the form. I want a banana be perfect. And now the most interesting moment. We're gonna add mouse ears to the banana. But it's gonna be banana mouse, you know? If you already knew, write in the comments. And doing something like this, feeling the inside of the ears. Let's draw little nose, little shadows to under nose, ears, and the final eyes. We need mouse eyes. And of course, yes. Did you like it? Okay, let's wait. Oh, this looks like ghost mouse, but that's okay. Oh, like keyboard, computer mouse. Okay, I understand the assignment. Oh, my drawing, my beautiful. It looks like a balloon. Yeah, do you see it? Oh, tricky. I'm gonna give you 3 stars. This one is so nice. This is the only person who drew so nice. Something like that. Oh, no, I'm gonna blur this. This is not for my channel. Oh, this too. This is not to my channel. Like, guys, what the heck? There's no mouse there. And the winners are... Oh, the second place? No, the third place. Thank you so much, Boto. What the heck? Why do you get the first place? Oh my gosh. Never mind. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I have some tutorials on my channel. Can't stay there. There's gonna be another tutorials. Bye! You can like my week. Wow!